Hello, I'm Dr. Ashita Uppur. At present, I'm the Dean at M. Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Mangalore. More than 25 years I've been a part of this college, and I've taken over during the COVID, that is 2020, I took over as the Dean of this college. I think probably how we differ from the other colleges is we believe in the holistic development of our students. It is not just imparting dental education to our students. Education here also involves a personality development of the students. So I think we incorporated the personality and professional development classes as an add-on for the students. It's not mandatory, but we found that this helped in what you call grooming our students to be a better professionals. As far as academics is concerned, we moved from the traditional based curriculum, which was always teacher-centric. And now what we are doing at present is something which is a student-centric. We have a very strong student research forum which was started way back in 2017. And today it has grown in leaps and bounds. In fact, we encourage a student, to come up with the patents. They come up with ideation. Even before a patent is actually comes into play, we kind of ask the students, and the best part is we have incorporated it from year one. Usually what happens is when you just inculcate in between, it is difficult for the students to keep up with the trend because they have to balance their academics. Plus, so what we did is this year one itself, research is incorporated. We have incorporated a lot of cutting edge technology. At present, if you see, everything is getting digitized. Technology is there even in every part of our curriculum now. In fact, it was during the COVID, we realized that it was not possible to train them with patients. So what we also had simulators. So we had simulation-based learning for the students, which actually helped them, and even adding on to those simulation-based skills. And so these are the clinical-based skills which we are trying to do it not only with patients and also with the simulation devices. We here at MCOTS coming up with various centers. So what we are doing is we have incorporated now even the patient management software. All the patient records will be digitized. We already have an examination pattern. It is paperless. So all these technologies have been incorporated. We also have a very robust co-curricular activities as well. In case they are good in sports or if they are having any of the cultural events, we kind of send them for any competitive events. So this is a kind of training what you get. It is not just dental education. We believe that you must have an overall development of the student, what the students will get here. There are many of our students who were looking after internship what is to be done. So we had corporate clinics coming to our college. They in fact conducted campus interviews for the students, which was never there earlier. We have a very strong alumni network. So here what happens is our alumni help our students. So if many of them are sure that, yes, I want to go and pursue my studies abroad. So what we do is we kind of connect them to these mentors who kind of help them to get, the admissions, how to go about their courses. So this is what our alumni mentorship program helps. Through the Innovation Center, the ideation. Last year, we have a startup by one of our students. So now we have students coming with ideas, and we have our university supporting these students. We have been among the top dental colleges in India, and we have achieved both the rankings at the national and the international arena. My message for the students who are coming here is, we offer you an education here which is on par with any international colleges. We also give you some kind of an international exposure. And I'm sure when you come here, it is you go back not as a good dentist, but definitely as a good human being. And with immense pride, I welcome all of you all to join this prestigious institute at MCOTS Mangalore.